All right, everyone who's watching this, please at TikTok, please share this with everyone, because I am tired of getting these and breaking these or content that is not bad. TikTok, please add, and you desperately need an age restriction button for either all ages, teen, or just an 18 or older button. Well, we press it, and we have to press it on or off before we are allowed to post a video, because we are all getting tired of getting Thanos for no reason. We're all tired of getting our videos taken down for no reason, while others with the same exact thing are up. Please, everyone, share this video, because I know you're feeling my pain. If you are a content creator and you have clicked on this video, please add a TikTok and make this go viral, so they can get the hint that they need to do some changes, or they will lose a lot of content creators to other platforms. They already are, but I love TikTok. I want to make content for it. Please share this. And TikTok, get your shit together.